प्यारे बच्चों, आपको पिछले समय पर आपको द नाजी विद्रोह और उनके बारे में हिटलर और महात्मा गांधी के विचारों के बारे में अवगत कराया था, बताया था। नाउ सी पेज नंबर 48, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ रेशियल स्टेट following their own concept. Hitler and his followers quickened their efforts in the direction of setting the special racial committee of Germans. First of all, they started eliminating those social groups or race whom they treated undesirable from the extended German Empire. The Nazi wanted to society of only the pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. In their view, only such people were desirable. They treated only such people worthy of prospering and procreating. Rest were undesirable. It means that such Germans also had no right to survive as they considered impure or abnormal. Under the euthanasia program, numberless such as Germans were eliminated that Nazi thoughts mentally or physically unfit. The Nazi considered undesirable not only the Jews but many other races also whom they considered so. First, the gypsies and blacks living in Germany were divested of their citizenship and later they were killed. The Russian and the Polish people were also considered object of the scourge. When the Germany under the leadership of Hitler occupied Poland and some parts of the Russia, the local people were forced to work as slaves under frightening conditions. They were not considered worthy of human behavior. Many of them died of heavy work and starvation. Jews and worst object of hatred. The Jews suffered the most in Hitler-ruled Germany. The Nazis' enmity towards the Jews had a prosecutor in the traditional Christian hatred towards the Jews. The Christians alleged that the Jew had killed Christ. In the eyes of the Christians, they were habitual, unassures and killers. Users and killers. Till the medieval age, the Jews could not have their own land. The Jews earned their living mainly by trade and lending money. They lived in separate colonies called ghettos, which were segregated from the rest of the society. The Christians eliminated them through periodic race massacre. They were subjected to organized violence from time to time and were driven away from their colony. The Christianity had opened up way for them. This was a solution through conversion of their religion. In the modern age, many Jews converted into the Christian to save their life and adopted the German culture. But Hitler's hatred toward the Jews was based on artificial scientific doctrines of race. In this hatred of Hitler, religion conversion was not solution for the Jews' plight. In the eyes of Hitler, the only solution to the Jews' problem was in their complete elimination. From 1933 to 1938, Nazi terrorized the Jews in many ways. Their means of livelihood were destroyed and they were isolated from the society. The Jews started leaving the country. In the second round of the 1939-45, a strategy of gather up the Jews in one place and ultimate killing them in gas chamber in Poland was adopted. The racial utopia के बारे में now you see, led by Hitler. Nazis worked the violence to its extreme. Hitler कहता नाजी वर्क the violence to its extreme. They proceeded the building the world of their utopian vision. The vanquished Poland was badly wrecked. The northwest part of the Poland was annexed to the Germany, and the people of Poland were forced to escape, leaving their home, wealthy and property behind, so that the Germans who were living in German-occupied Europe could be brought here and settled. After that, Poles were driven out like cattle to a place known as general government. This was the destination for all the undesirable people in the German Empire. The intellectuals of Poland were killed in a large number. They had planned to enslave the people of Poland intellectually and spiritually both. The poor children looked like Aryans, were snatched from their parents and taken to race specialists. If they passed the test, they were brought up in German families. Otherwise, they were kept in orphanage. Most of them died in the general government. Some big ghettos and gas chamber also existed. Here, the Jews were killed in the large number. General government. What is general government? In this Hitler ruled Germany was a special type of area where the undesirable, that is, the Jews and Poles were settled. This area had some big ghettos and gas chambers, also where Jews were killed in large number. Ghettos, a place isolated in community for rest of the society. मतलब ऐसे लोग जो समाज से बिल्कुल अलग रखे जाए उनके लिए, और जो जूस लोग थे उनको बिल्कुल अलग बसाया गया था, उनके लिए जो अलग नियम बनाए गए थे वह जनरल गवर्नमेंट थी। अब एक्टिविटीज़ 2 के बारे में नेक्स्ट डे।